Let's check it out what I have on the smoke today. Two small pork shoulders and some sausages. Gonna wrap them up, make some carnitas. Should be pretty good. Some tacos and whatnot, burritos. Bear with me. Figured it out how to do the button. So you push it once and then you push it twice, but on the second time you hold it and it's a lot faster. See? That's how you do it. One tap and then on the second tap you hold it. And it's pretty good stuff, 25 bucks. See how long it lasts. Alright, wrapped up the carnitas. Flip the sausages. They'll be done like in 20 minutes. The carnitas, I'm gonna have to take them up to 205. Then they'll be done. Alright. Still switch on, let's see if it works. Yep. It works. Let's do it again. One more time. Yep. Cool. Works. Didn't even have to tune it up or anything. Like change the settings, but that'll work. Let's put it all back together. I moved putting a LiPo in it better. I don't like that little battery. The little Nikkei one. It takes forever to charge and it's kind of hard. I don't want to put a voltmeter in it, so I know if I put a fresh pack, it'll last me all day. And it's a lot easier to swap. I'll just tie it right there. Be a lot better. A lot easier in case I need to swap out the battery for the electronics. Be good all day. Well, alright guys. Thanks for watching. One of them showing at 205, so time to grab it. It's the one that's steaming. Grab it and unwrap it real quick. Alright, I opened it up. Check that out. Look at that. It's still boiling. Look at that juice. Let it soak back in for a good 20 minutes. Be some nice pulled pork or carnitas, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, some reason when I blow pressure right here, this grommet, even though it's brand new, was loose and it was blowing air out. But with these two zip ties right here, putting pressure down, there's no more air leak. So it shouldn't, because I was leaking gas right here, you can tell. So hopefully that fixes it until I either get some new grommets or a new tank. Because, I don't know, I don't like leaking gas. Should work for now.